Wishful beliefs are the most beautiful thing in our intellects, unrestrained from logic and policies. But in reality, Nolia, there will always come a time when you will be disappointed by the betrayal of those you hold on to. And you better be ready, as it could be anyone.
The last time I saw my papa,
Katisha.
he looked like an ornament on the Christmas tree hanging.
Years later, I was compelled to return to the land of my birth, to deliver the voice of the sand snowman, the story of a young girl of my hometown who stayed there while I was forced to escape. New regime. Lost love.